What's up, you guys? Welcome to the Panda Express Project channel. Today we're going to talk the most important mod you should buy for your vehicle when you first get it. Okay, what mod am I talking about? Well, it's fairly simple. The mod I'm going to suggest is a Dashcam, and there's a reason why. For the last few weeks, I've encountered a lot of close encounters. People cannot drive, people cutting me off, and or driving the wrong way, or just really generally don't know how to drive. And because of this, I am keen to make this video and tell people why you should get a Dashcam. Because it's fair. For starters, with a Dashcam, you will have physical video proof. What I mean by that is if there's an accident that happens right in front of you, you actually have video proof of what happened. Or in another case where if someone hits you and they try to blame it on you, you have physical proof video of them hitting you and not vice versa. Another few reasons why you should have a Dashcam, well, it's the protection. What I mean by that is that it will protect you because you have physical video proof of what happened. It will protect you against scammers and fraud, especially if they're trying to look for an easy money. So if some dumbass decides to, try to hit you and try to say that you ran into him, but you have physical video proof that he backed into you. And one few reasons why you should have a Dashcam is if you were pulled over by a police officer. Now, I have nothing against police officer, but there are one of those few that will wrongfully ticket you for absolutely nothing. So with the Dashcam, especially if some Dashcam features has GPS, it actually will tell you how fast you were going. So if saying you were going under the speed limit or within the speed limit, like just using a random number, 55 miles an hour, your Dashcam will tell you how fast you're going using GPS. If the cops say you were speeding 65, well, that's impossible because you have video proof you're going 55 the whole time. So this way, if you were to go to court and fight the ticket, you have proof. Now, like I said, I have nothing against cops. Cops are just doing their job. Now, some cops are nice people. Not all of them, but there are some that will give you a break. And some others are just complete dicks. But like I said, they're just doing their job. So if you make it easy for them, they'll make it easy for you. Or vice versa. So anyway. Now, the other last few reasons why you should have a Dashcam, well, it's quite simple actually. Instead of you pulling your video out trying to catch that moment, your camera already does that for you. Now, if you want to save that footage, some cameras or some Dashcam will have a special button where you can press and save that specific video. Mine does. Now, some will not, some will do. It depends on what kind of camera you get. So it depends on what you buy. But it's a good handy, and just save that moment video, or you can use it when you're on a family vacation or something, or rather, and you just want to catch something funny. I've caught a few funny ones. But anyway, now I explain a few reasons why you should have a Dashcam. Now, here's some of the Dashcam I have actually captured on my personal Dashcam. And here's the first one. This one is actually quite simple. And I know I've used simple a lot, but just bear with me. So this video I'm about to show you is me driving home at night. I was tired. I just want to go home. All of a sudden, a big Escalade decided to cut me off, not just once, but twice. But I really had not a single clue what the fuck was this problem. Here, I'll show you what I mean. What the fuck? not just cut me off just once, but twice. And those fucking things are 3 tons of disaster. I stay away from them as far as I can. Here's another video where it was more of a dick move. So I was just getting ready to make a left turn. I was on the left lane, he was on the right lane. Well, I always leave space between my car and a person in front of me, so this way I don't crash into them. Also, it leaves me plenty of space to brake. No, not really. This motherfucker just decided to just jump right in. Seriously?
Manual recording will now start.
And the last one, this is more of just that moment that I wish I could record through my phone, but because I had a dash cam, I was able to record this moment. And it's more after me and my buddy was finished fixing the car, and the car in front of us was actually the one we did. What we physically did was a engine swap, less than 6 hours. And he decides to give the car a little pull. And we had a little fun. Cue the 90s music. Alright, we're at the end of the video now. Now, some of you are curious what kind of dash cam I have. Well, the dash cam I have equipped in my WRX is actually a ThinkWare F770 front and rear cameras. Now, I do have an additional battery pack to extend the parking mode feature it has. The company I bought my dash cam is called blackboxmycar.com. Actually, I had to thank for Parker from Vehicle Virgin for even telling me about this website. And because of him, I was decided to get my dash cam of myself after I got my WRX. So, shout out to you, Parker. You're the reason why I got myself a dash cam. And also shout out to blackboxmycar.com, because without some of their reviews, I wouldn't make my decision what dash cam to get. If you guys are looking for a dash cam for the first time, check out blackboxmycar.com. They have some great cameras you can check out, and they have some budget-friendly ones. Check out some reviews, and make your decision from there. And trust me, you will not regret getting a dash cam. Especially, it's going to save you tons of money in the future if you ever get into an accident. Just one accident pays it all off. As long as it's not your fault. Anyway, that's today's video regarding about dash cams. I will upload more videos in the future regarding to my Smart II Supra. I'm sorry that I may be behind on a few videos due to the fact that I do have a full-time job, and Sunday is like the only day I have off. So I do try to upload videos here and there. But I have big plans coming for my Mark II Supra. I will not review it here. I'll wait until I release the video. This video may be released first before the Mark II Supra video, so I won't review nothing here. Now, anything with my WRX, at the moment, the car is basically done. What? The WRX is basically sort of done appearance-wise, so it would be a while before I do anything power mods or anything like that, since, you know, if I want horsepower, it costs money. So, anyway, so that's what's been going on. That's at that part. This is just a little update of what's going on. So I hope you like the video. Give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of what's going on in the future, please hit the subscribe button. And I hope to see you in the future. Peace out.